Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there, twist them around just a little bit, and dramatically change the entire message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. Every time you write something, you go through all these different ideas on how to explain it. And you really want to make things super short, but you got to get across a big message. So how do you make sure you're capturing attention and capturing that focus of the people that are just very quickly scrolling through their social media feeds by keeping it short, but delivering a large impact? You do that by adding more detail. It sounds counterintuitive, but you can actually do it really easily. So a number of years ago, I worked with a local cleaning company called Sunny Day Cleaning. And we went through and I wrote a case study on the work that I did with them. I was helping them with their social media, with their Facebooks, and building out their page and creating advertisements for them. And the lady that runs the company, Jessica, she keeps really good track of her numbers. And so she knows exactly how much she paid me to do this. And she knows exactly where her business was before and after. And we quickly, within 6 months, took her to the point where she was bursting at the seams. She couldn't take on any new clients. And she reviewed those numbers and discovered that Sery Content Development in 6 months helped increase the net revenue by 25%. So that's not the gross revenue. That's not just the money coming in. That's after all the expenses. She was making 25% more money in just 6 months of using my service. And then we had to turn it off because she couldn't handle any more business. So I kind of worked my way out of a job there. The point of that one is I went through in a blog article, a case study. I wrote it as a blog on my website, exactly how I did it. And I put all the details in of what we did, how we did it, what the time frames were, and everything. So if you look back in my playlist on the Strategic Advisor Board YouTube channel, you'll see a video called Time Frame Plus Results Gets Results. Watch that one because those are the details that you need in order to make maximum impact. For example, let's say you're a dietitian and you want to advertise how you help people lose weight. Lose weight quickly has no time frame and not really clear results. You can add just a little bit of detail and say, drop 10 pounds in 30 days. Basically the exact same thing, almost the exact same word count, but which one, if you were somebody that wanted to lose weight quickly, which one would you rather click on? The one that shows time frame and results, or the kind of vague, yeah, you'll probably lose weight quickly. How much weight are you losing? How fast is quickly? Give me some more details here. Or perhaps you're somebody that's a business coach and you want to show them how they can make more money. And instead of saying, I teach you to make more money, you say, double your revenue in 12 months. Or increase your revenue 25% in 6 months. Anything like that. You want that time frame, you want those results so people know exactly what they're getting into and they're not kind of being trapped into this sort of vague, sort of almost scammy sounding offer to them. It can go throughout anything. Look at any of the how-to guides out there, the really good ones. They tell you exactly what you want to do. They tell you exactly how long it's going to take, and then they go through exactly how to do it. So you hook them in with that time frame and results. You give them all the details. Most of the time, people are going to say, this is a lot of work. I don't want to do it. And so they'll come back to you because you're the professional, you're the expert that showed them exactly what to do, and they'll just hire you to do it for them. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found some inspiration and education you can apply to your own business. As usual, if you realize how much work this writing stuff actually is and you don't even want to mess with it, hit the links in the description below. Reach out. I'd be happy to help you. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.